In this video, let's see how to archive programs. Click the three dots beside the program you wish to archive. Choose Archive. When you click on the Archive button, a confirmation dialog will display. This dialog lists the effects of archiving a program. If you're okay with those consequences, click Yes. To archive more than one program, select the programs you wish to archive. Then click the Bulk Archive button and then Yes. To view the programs you have archived, simply click on the Archive tab. To unarchive a program, click on the three dots beside the archived program, then select Unarchive and then Yes. The program will be unarchived and return to the current tab. To unarchive multiple programs, select the programs and then click the Bulk Unarchive icon at the top right. When you unarchive a program, all the above consequences, removals and cancellations, will return.